Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to reset VW Passat oil change, only way. Begin by turning the ignition to position 2 without starting the engine, then navigate the service menu with the steering wheel buttons to find the oil change reset option. Press and hold confirm until the display resets to 0, then switch off the ignition and restart to verify the service interval. Repeat the process if the oil light remains illuminated after restarting. Before you begin, gather basic information and ensure safety measures are in place, such as the parking brake and a level surface. Keep the owner manual handy because menu names can vary by model and trim. Do not disconnect the battery during this procedure, since that can clear memory and create additional service messages. Instead, follow the on-screen reset flow precisely. If a code appears, note it and consult a dealer or trusted mechanic. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help me make more easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait at the dealer, with a crisp display and long battery life. I use it for manuals and how-to PDFs, which makes downtime productive. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, then stick around. Now let's get back to the video. Start with the ignition in position 2, then use the trip or menu button to enter the service display. Scroll to the service interval or oil change entry and select Reset or Confirm, watching the display for a prompt. Press and hold the Confirm button until the screen counts down or displays 0, then switch off the ignition and restart to confirm the oil service message is cleared. If the message returns, repeat carefully or seek help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.